Today we're going to turn an old shovel handle, piece of 3/16 walled pipe, and a chunk of steel I cut off from underneath my truck into tomahawk. Welcome back to Post 5 Productions. I already made this hatchet a couple years ago just to see if I could do it, see if it was sturdy enough to hold up, and it is. It actually works quite well. It's an old cutting edge off of a snowplow, so it holds an edge quite well. And I'm pretty much just going to trace this out, this pattern, onto here, weld it onto a chunk of pipe similar to this, cut this down to similar length, so that way it'll give me two fairly identical hatchets, or tomahawks, whatever you want to call them, so I can set up a throwing game out in the backyard. Let's get going. The original and the new. That was a fun little quick Sunday project. Turned out decent. I didn't wedge the end. You saw how hard it was to get the handle in there. So I'm not really going to bother with it right now. Just for looks until I get a target set up. Then it'll be for a hatchet throwing game. And then if I ever see it loosening up or anything, then I'll run something down in there. But in the meantime, I'm just going to leave it like this. That's fun. Just some scrap steel. Like I said, a chunk of steel I cut off the bottom of my truck. That was a mount for a Nerf bar, running board, whatever you want to call it. Chunk of pipe and an old shovel handle. This is a lot more fun than those things sitting in the scrap pile. Till next time, y'all take care. Bye.